Good day everyone, my name is James Evan C. Felicitas, and for today's video we're going to talk about the current issues of information technologies, which is the artificial intelligence. Technology is changing the way we work, we live, and interact with the world, so one of the breakthrough in information technology is artificial intelligence. But what is AI? So AI is when machines are programmed to think, learn, and make decisions just like humans. So it powers things like self-driving cars, facial recognition, and even your social media feeds. AI helps us in many ways. It makes our lives easier by doing tasks faster and more accurately. So when it comes to healthcare, it detects diseases early. In education, it helps students to learn better, and in business, it helps when it comes to the customer services. But AI isn't perfect. It can create problems too. For example, some AI tools may invade our privacy, like tracking your data without permission. Others may replace jobs, making people lose work, and sometimes AI can make unfair decisions because it learns from our biased data. To fix these problems, we need to use AI responsibly. Companies should ensure their AI is fair, secure, and respects privacy. Schools can teach students how to use AI wisely, and a government can create laws to protect people. AI is powerful, but it's up to us to guide it in the right direction. Together, we can make sure that AI improves our world without harming it. So, the future is in our hands. So that's all. Be informed, use AI responsibly, and shape the future.